Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make money trading cryptocurrency step by step. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain. Crypto trading can be profitable due to market volatility. Prices can change rapidly, creating opportunities for both short and long-term gains. Step 1, choose a reliable exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are user-friendly and secure for beginners. Step 2, understand market trends. Analyze price movements, keep up with news, and use tools like TradingView for better insights. Step 3, pre-practice with a demo account. Many exchanges offer demo accounts to help you practice risking real money. Step 4, learn trading strategies. Common strategies include day trading, swing trading, scalping, and hodling. Choose one that suits your risk tolerance and schedule. Step 5, manage your risks. Use stop loss orders, diversify your investments, and set a budget to avoid significant losses. Step 6, stay updated with the market. Follow credible sources like Twitter, Reddit, and crypto news sites to keep informed of the latest trends. Step 7, be patient and persistent. Crypto trading requires time, patience, and constant learning. Don't rush and stick to your strategy. Ready to start trading crypto? Follow these steps, stay informed, and remember, every trader was once a beginner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and let us know in the comments what topics you want us to cover next.